Welcome to my Scottsdale Airbnb. I'll go over some of the details. It's located in South Scottsdale near Old Town. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I bought this property back in 2020, put like 100 grand into it, spent like 2 years renovating it, and it's been on Airbnb for 1 year now. And if you guys want to check it out, I put the link down in the description. You guys can check it out on the Airbnb website. All right, so we enter right into the living area. As you can see, I made this property very open concept. There actually used to be a wall right here that I took out. I kept all the windows original. I've got a bunch of videos on the renovation process. I decided to go with a 4-person table because I have this massive island with an overhang, so plenty of seating here. A bunch of the furniture and a lot of the art I bought on Amazon, so if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down below to the stuff that I bought on Amazon. Thanks for booking. Personalized snacks, I leave some beverages in the fridge. One thing you'll notice is the microwave is not above the stove like it is traditionally. This is kind of a smaller kitchen, so I didn't have a ton to work with, so if I threw a microwave right there, you know, you barely see any of the backsplash and make everything feel cluttered. Gas stove, the microwave's new, the dishwasher's new, but the stove and the fridge I actually bought on Facebook Marketplace. 29 recessed lights we put in. I think that is crucial for remodels. This hallway only used to be like right here. It used to be 8-foot ceilings in the hallways because ductwork was running through them. So we ripped out the ductwork, rerouted it so that we could raise the height of the ceilings, and I think it totally paid off. So here is bedroom number 1. This is a queen bed. I decided to throw a desk in this bedroom, and all the bedrooms have a mounted smart TV. I put in a black fan without a light on it with 4 recessed lights. To me, that is the perfect bedroom setup. They're all on a dim switch as well. Right across the hallway will be the first bathroom. I didn't do a ton with this one. I saved some money, and instead of retiling this whole tub, I had just had it glazed. I put a coating over the original tile and made it all white because it was pink before. I put in bidets in both bathrooms. You wouldn't believe the compliments that I get on that. And this I really like. This was not very expensive. There was like an old furnace closet here, so we ripped that out and I put in a vanity. You have some storage down here, and this is like an extra station for you guys to, you know, get ready, put on your makeup, all that good stuff. And I actually forgot when I was doing the remodel to put an outlet over here, so we really don't need one. You can just put, you know, your blow dryers and everything right over here. And each guest that books, they get conditioner, shampoo, body wash, lotion over here on the vanity, some bar soap in there because, you know, you're traveling, you just get to your destination, the last thing you want to do is go to the store and get this stuff. All the way down the hallway, we'll enter into bedroom number 2. This is also a queen bed, and I try to make everything clean and minimalistic. I don't want a ton of furniture because it makes everything feel cluttered, and it's just more chances of things breaking. If you notice, I go with white sheets and pillowcases just to let the guests know that everything is really, really clean. This here is a king. If you guys can slip in a king in your Airbnb, that's gonna be perfect. People love kings. And this is actually a Beauty Beast mattress. Get a good mattress, especially for the main bedroom. I go white with the bed sheets just to let the guests know that everything is clean. I try to do that with the towels, but they were just getting stained way too much with lipstick and makeup and eyeliner. I was just going through way too many towels. The goal of this bathroom was to make a small bathroom feel big. So I went curbless here. Also, the tiles going vertical like this gives the illusion that it's taller. I don't know if that's true, but we did it and I think it worked. And again, all the guests will get, you know, their body wash, conditioner, shampoo, you know, another bar soap, lotion. So as you enter the back door, you'll reach the laundry area. Originally, the dryer was on the outside and the washer was in the kitchen. Obviously, I don't like that setup. The way the layout is, I was like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to fit a laundry room in here. It's gonna be way too difficult. So I decided I'm just gonna put it on the outside, and it paid off because if you think about it, it's quiet, you don't hear anything on the inside, which is awesome. If the washer floods, it's on the outside, so it's not gonna do any damage. And again, you don't have to find room for your washer dryer. I wanted everything low maintenance as possible, so I have gravel here with pavers, turf. We're in Arizona, so I had to install these sail shades. So basically, I don't have to have any irrigation here because we're in Arizona. And if you're trying to have a bunch of plants, your water bill is gonna be insane. And I also don't have to pay for landscapers because every once in a while, I'll pull some weeds, but that's really all the landscaping that I have to do. We made a little cornhole station, and over here we have the outdoor seating area with the fire pit, lights up above. It looks really nice at night. So now we can go check out the front of the property. And I do allow pets here. As you can see, it's all gated up. So for an extra fee, you guys can bring your pets here. This gate I actually put in myself. It was a 2-day project that turned into a 2-week project. I really like how the front turned out. Okay, don't look at that. That was one of the guests that had an oil leak or something. I gotta clean that up. But yeah, we put a lot of work into this property. Me and my brother, we painted this whole house to save some costs, and I really like how it turned out. Thank you guys for taking this time to go on this tour with me. Airbnb has been something that I wanted to do for a really long time, and if you guys have any questions about Airbnb, just leave some comments down below. I'll answer all of them. I have a property in Mesa as well that I'm Airbnb-ing, so I'm gonna do a tour of that one. It's actually a very unique property, so I'm excited to do that tour. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.